you.
Greetings, camp staff, leaders, and the youth working group and participants.
For their daily performance,
Morse Code will put on an extraordinary performance.
today at our workshop we received a task to put on a presentation. This presentation is about the principles of IRC. We received a task to present neutrality and joy. I'm Ailish from Galway.
I'm Maurice from Dublin.
I'm Hannah from Monaghan.
Hayley from Dublin.
I'm Daniela from Cove.
I'm Naomi from Dublin.
Hannah from Monaghan.
I'm Saoirse from Warren from Monaghan. I'm Sophie from Monaghan.
I'm Nathan from Kildare.
I'm Ryan from Cove.
I'm Natasha from Monaghan. I'm Claire from Monaghan.
I'm Anne from Kildare.
I'm Joshua from Dock. Alright, it's not over yet. Neutrality is the act of sticking between the lines and being impartial. Neutrality can be found everywhere. This example is about a family household. Neutrality stops conflict. This family is under stress from bills and money is a scarce commodity. Sophie and Nathan on a normal school day.
Sophie and Nathan's ready for school. Do you have any money to put petrol in the car to bring him?
And my car.
Yeah, your car.
No, I went out with my friends. I told you I was going out.
So you have no money to put petrol in the car?
No, I go to work every day.
Well, where are they meant to get to school? A bit of walk?
Use your money. You're going home and you want to do
I'm
what?
at home, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm taking care of the kids. Like, where am I meant to get the money from?
I don't know. Use your money. I mean, I'm entitled to mind my own stuff. You're home on the
They're your responsibility too. They're your kids. Like, I didn't get a electricity bill last week. I got a plumber in to fix the pipes. I have no money to bring the kids to school.
Stop fighting.
But Sophie, Nathan, how are you going to get to school?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not taking sides.
I don't think it's time as either.
Look, it's not fair to kids. I go shop time. We just find something for them.
Okay, fine. That's what you're doing.
The next example is of a business conflict. Pepsi and Coca-Cola are vying for a place to present their product in a shop, but only one product can be picked. Pepsi and Coca-Cola start an argument about whose product is better. The manager of Dunn's wants to stay neutral, doesn't want to get involved, so she walks away and picks a different company.
Hi. Hi, I'm from Coca-Cola. I actually have space on your shelf for our product.
Yes.
As we're the international #1 seller in the world, can we entice you to try our product on your shelf? I can guarantee it will sell because, as I said, it's #1 seller in the world. So we would be delighted to place our product on your shelf.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Hi, I'm from Pepsi International. We're a new upcoming brand and we're selling quite well. And Coke sales are still #1, but they have gone down quite a bit, and ours are going up quite a bit.
Very
So
good.
I think that
Sorry. Yeah, where do you get these figures from?
you might be still #1 now, but you have gone down in sales.
We're actually top of the league.
Top of the league at the
Yes.
moment, yes, but we're new and we're coming up now. So this is why I think we should buy Pepsi when it's still new, fresh, and people want it.
I can't take this anymore. I'm fighting over a drink here, a mineral, and this is ridiculous. I need to just get a product out there instead of wasting all this time deciding. So I'm going to marry both of your decisions and choose a different one. So goodbye, and I will never see you again.
Unfortunately, some conflict can get badly out of hand and lead to war. It's because of neutral humanitarian organisations such as the Irish Red Cross that the innocent people stuck on both sides get the aid they need from a neutral group. Sometimes neutral being the subject can help resolve the situation.
Ready?
What to be ready?
Fine. Are you okay? Okay, come on. Okay, come on, shake hands. Shake hands and make what? Stop
wave the peace flag, come on. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.